Hello and welcome to the Deep Learning Architecture for Building Artificial Neural Network. I'm Anshul Srivastava with Pact Publishing and we'll be taking you through a journey of learning deep architecture for AI. Let's go into the course introduction. But before the course introduction, let me brief you about myself. I'm a leader with major operating tenets as driving technology transformation through thought leadership, design thinking, innovation, analytics, and delivering value to stakeholders. I am a global technology leader and change practitioner who has been instrumental in driving technology transformation for businesses in the range of multi-billion dollar as revenues. Experience has been around taking up strategic technology initiative, architecting, delivering, and managing at an enterprise level. Several notable career accomplishments wherein he has led, created, and launched the key artificial intelligence, blockchain, cloud, e-commerce, mobile, and business intelligence initiative for various financial institutions across the world. I'm currently in a leadership role as a Chief Information Officer, Information Technology, and Digital Officer in Dubai, leading the IT strategy, technology transformation, analytics, software delivery, architecture, and cloud for Union Insurance, which is based out of UAE, Oman, and Bahrain, across lines of business, which is life, general, and health insurance, creating and driving big strategic initiative aligning IT transformation to deliver business value. Major cloud transformation impacted the bottom line of Union by multi-million dirhams in the first year. Machine learning and robotic process automations are some of the key initiatives business transformations implemented recently. I have been mentoring startup, incubators, accelerator, and management students across Southeast Asia, Europe, India, and Middle East since 2012. And incubators, accelerators like Satoshi Studios, Astrolabs, T-Labs, CH9, Flatrix Labs, and many other incubators. I'm a keynote speaker on blockchain, Internet of Things, cloud, artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning, digital transformation, fintech, regtech, insurtech, cloud, and mobility. Now let's look at the overview of the course. So deep architectures are composed of multi-level non-linear operations that can represent high-level abstraction, which allows you to learn complicated function in any of the AI tasks such as computer vision, language processing, and many more. Deep learning architectures allow you to learn useful feature representation from the data. The videos will give you a rundown explaining about the learning algorithm used for deep architectures and shallow architectures such as deep belief networks, which will provide you with the foundation to get started with concepts and ideas required. We will learn about deep neural network used in unsupervised learning for deep architecture, deep Boltzmann machine autoencoders, deep convolutional neural networks, deep generative architectures. We'll learn how to train deep architecture and improve the experience for carrying out NLP tasks. End of this video, you will be able to construct deep models such as pose-embedded learning, which will help you to classify images based on the pose or the activity the target is performing. You will also explore the possibilities with deep architectures in today's world. The prerequisites. This course is for anyone who are curious for AI and wants to upskill their knowledge for deep learning architecture. Some knowledge of neural networks and deep learning algorithm is expected. Goals. The course is made specifically for programmers, analysts, architects, data scientists, or anyone who is working in a big data environment or AI and is interested in learning how to implement AI in the world of data science. Taking this course will help you to take a first step in designing your career in deep learning architect. Understanding of Python and R would be an added advantage to viewers choosing to take this course. Let's begin.